It's fall time. I am back at home. I'm venturing into the kitchen right now because I saw a video on YouTube earlier about phenacite melting ice. So over the mining season, I dug up a bunch of phenacite stuff out in Colorado, and it's kind of weird phenacite. It's like on a weird calcite schist type thing on the outside of these rocks. I don't know exactly what to call it, but yeah, a whole bunch of phenacites. Some of them are bigger than others, but anyway, yeah, I saw this guy on YouTube melting ice with phenacite, and I figured it's got to be just a hoax. It's got a bunch of phenacite sitting on a hot plate or something. So I've got some ice in here, and I've got a little piece of phenacite, single crystal, sitting up here. So, well, I don't want to move that yet. I'm gonna take a piece of ice out first and ensure that phenacite stays cold as long as possible. Let's see. Come here. Okay, so there's my single phenacite crystal. Yeah. Okay. Nice and cold. I'm gonna touch it to the ice and see if anything happens here. Frozen phenacite on ice. It actually appears to be melting the ice. That is weird. This phenacite is still really, really, really cold. But it melted a little divot in the ice. That is awesome. That is so weird. It's actually pushing itself down into the ice and puddling out. Well, somebody's calling. It's probably somebody calling reminding me to vote. But yeah, lots and lots of little bitty phenacites. And this is actually the first one that I found. They're all just chunks of white quartz. I actually found a couple of smoky quartz pieces that had phenacites on at least one actual face of existing crystal. Some of them have on 2 faces, some of them on 3 faces, but all the pieces that I picked up had at least one face of the original crystal. Original face of the crystal that's just covered in these little phenacites that apparently have something to do with, like, some lady told me that they use it in witchcraft. Some other person told me that it's a major healing stone, and look on the internet and it's like it has the highest vibration of any other stone on earth, and it's extremely rare and extremely valuable. And I got a whole drawer full of this stuff that I collected over the course of about a week and a half of decently hard work. And I know where to get a whole bunch more of it. And I'll be doing that next season. I'm going to go back over here and look at my ice and phenacite thing one more time real quick. What is going on here? A nice little puddle. It's still really cold. It's a dirty little phenacite. But it's relatively clear. It's got a little white spot going on in there. That must have been the side facing closest to the sun. But yeah, very, very interesting.